In this video, I'm going to show you 4 platforms in which you can make money from just by scanning QR codes, also known as barcodes. Whenever you go for shopping, whenever you see materials which you can scan their QR codes, you scan it and you'll be able to make money. I'm just going to show you 4 simple apps which you can download or which you can also access directly from your mobile browser. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, my name is Basi Ejwajon. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar. My channel will talk about how you can make money online as a total beginner in 2024. So if you love content like that, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I will drop a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And today's video, I'm going to show you 4 platforms in which you can get paid just for scanning QR codes. And the first platform on the list is known as Swagbucks. So Swagbucks here is a platform that says you save money and you make money. As you can see here, you can see how much that's already been cashed out from members using this platform. This is $607 million that has been cashed out for people that have been using this platform. And to use this platform is absolutely free. And whenever you sign up on this platform as a new user, you have a $10 sign up reward program bonus. So as you can see, it says after signing up, you tell them about yourself so that you'll be able to get personalized offers. You redeem your gift card to your favorite retailers like Amazon, Walmart, or you can get cashback from PayPal. As you can see here, it says you can also get paid on this platform to answer surveys. That is one thing about this platform. If you're looking for extra side income, you can also come to this platform and you complete surveys and you make money. Now, as you can see here, it says scanning of QR code. As you can see on the screen, it says Swagbucks is one of the most extensive shopping reward program on the internet. Find coupons code, promo code, deals, and cashback offers to your favorite stores, combined with your preferred credit card to earn additional cashback. That means whenever you go for shopping and you see a QR code at the back of your clothes, at the back of any item you got, make sure you scan the QR code and you'll be able to make money. Now, one thing about this platform known as Swagbucks is that you can also come here and get entertainment. You can come here to play games and you will also get paid. You can see the amount of testimonials they have. They have a 4.0 over 5 star rating and a 37,440 reviews on Trustpilot. To sign up on this platform is absolutely free, and you can see how much has been paid to their members, and you can see how many gift cards, 7,000 gift cards has been redeemed daily by merchant, and they have 1,500 plus retailers. So what you just have to do to get this first platform is to go to your favorite browser and dial in this keyword known as swagbucks.com. So head on to the second platform on the list. So the second platform on the list is known as Inbox Dollars. It says you get rewarded for taking surveys, shopping, and cash offers, and also for playing games. Now, this platform, whenever you join this platform, you get a free $5 bonus sign up. So you sign up on this platform and you get a free $5. So sign up on this platform is pretty easy. You just have to sign up with your email, as simple as that, or your Google Mail. So this is a platform that gets you paid just for doing what you love. You go for shopping, you scan your QR code and you upload it on this platform, and you'll be able to make money. As you can see their partners. There are partners with Netflix, Target.com, Walmart, PCH.com, and a lot of other trusted brands all over the world. As you can see, it says Inbox Dollars makes it very easy for you to earn money online. It says since 2000, Inbox Dollars has paid millions in cash reward to members for doing everyday online activities like reading emails, taking paid surveys, or playing games. The Inbox Dollars community allows members to influence future products and services. It says Inbox Dollars is an award-winning company recognized by INC 5000 for outstanding growth. So to stand up on this platform is pretty easy. Just go to your browser and put in this keyword known as inboxdollar.com, and you get an instant $5 sign up bonus whenever you sign up, and you get paid for shopping and doing basically everything that you love, from shopping, playing games, reading emails, or doing this, and you get paid. If you love this video, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, comment whenever you check out these platforms, so that I will know wherever you need help and how I can come into play. So let's go on to the third platform on the list. So the third platform on the list is known as ncp.com. That is the National Consumer Panel. It says your voice is your impact and it's also your reward. It says join National Consumer Panel today, share your shopping opinions, you earn points and enjoy great rewards. So you can also watch the video to know how this platform work, known as National Consumer Panel. So to sign up on this platform, we have to give in your title, your first name, your last name, your street, your city, your state, your zip, and your date of birth, and you confirm that you are not a robot, and you submit. So how does it work? What can you expect as a panel member? The first thing is for you is that you'll be able to access the exclusive NCP mobile app, and you also hear is that you scan in your barcode on all items you purchase and provide other purchasing details. You share your shopping data with NCP and you earn. So as you can see, you can earn a minimum of $25 to $50 and up to even $1,000 on gift cards. It's point to redeem for a great selection of a digital gift card. To sign up on this platform is pretty very easy. Go to your browser and type in this keyword known as ncponline.com, and you'll be able to sign up. If you want to really know more about this platform, they give you an opportunity where you can watch videos to see how you can excel on this platform. So this is the top platform that is known as ncp.com. So let's head on to the last platform on the list. So the last platform on the list here is known as eButter. So eButter is a platform that gets you cashback every time you shop. So it says ad offers, submit a receipt and get cashback at your favorite grocery stores. So you can get their mobile app, or you can continue in the web browser. As you can see here, they have a 4.8 star rating with a 1.8 million downloads. As you can see here, they are available on the Apple Store and they're also available on the Google Play Store. It says how to earn cashback is that the first one is that, as you can see, let me show you. For you to be able to earn cashback on this platform is that you have to submit your receipt. It says after shopping for your items in store, head to the retailer page and tap submit receipt to earn your cashback. Then you withdraw your earnings when you reach $20 by choosing a gift card or even linking a bank account. It says the third one is that you add your cashback offers to your list by tapping the plus sign. You can see that eButter offer. That is when you sign up on this platform and you'll be able to start making money. So you say get started on eButter. You can get started on eButter on your phone. You can also get started on eButter on your computer. So there is no limitation on how you can earn money on this platform. So this is basically on how you can earn money just by scanning QR codes anywhere you are in the world in 2024. If you love videos like this, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so you can continue getting updates anytime I will drop a video like this. And until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.